bring some coffee, please, because it's a little large. Good evening. As you know, this is my second time here in Boston. When I arrived here, my first time in April 2009, I remember that my English level was low and wasn't experienced enough to keep a conversation. After 2 times and 11 weeks in total, how times fly. I'm proud to say that my English communication are more fluent. Of course, I make a lot of mistakes. However, mistakes that I make are in the right direction. This means that at least my Hispanic English starts to be closer to the English. We say shoot to the hope. This is a translation of my Grito de Esperanza. I appreciate the effort of all my teachers, the staff, the director, and my host family, and of course, all of you, my classmates, because all of you contribute to the improvement of my English level. The environment where all of you are involved is the most important feature in the English learning process in order to achieve your goals. In grammar, in vocabulary, in idioms, etc. However, you could learn all of this in books. Nevertheless, the training process is a learning experience which allows all of us to build a consistent structure in the English language, in leaps and bounds. This is an On the other hand, I would like to express my gratitude for all your pieces of knowledge that you teach us. The most important rules that I had the opportunity to learn in this place, in the school, with you are, first, we have 2 years and 1 month. This is our wise advice. Secondly, think the idea that you are trying to communicate. First, build a sentence using the logical order and appropriate words, verbs, tenses, adverbs, and so on. Finally, you are ready to speak. Learning this mental process is not easy because in our language is automatic. We need to change step by step. You teachers, with the cooperation of my host, and of course, all of you classmates, now you are my friends. You have made it possible. There's nothing to it with all your cooperation. Another expression. Finally, thanks to this beautiful city, Boston, that I love it. And thanks to the American people, I have had very pleasant moments with you that I never forget. Thanks a million, and see you soon in this small world.